So welcome to OLOP RV. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And we're the Wagners. Right now we are at the Corn Palace, and we had a really interesting time there.
I've been going by there for so many years, and I kept saying, I need to go there. I need to go there. Now I know why I never went there. It's not a corn palace. It's a stadium that they do decorations with corn. So it's
we were definitely
taken back.
Going into the Corn Palace. Woohoo! I don't know. Hello. Hey. Where?
Getting up so grand and fair, lift the minds above the humdrum duties of life, and gives play to the higher faculties of the man. Then the visitor leads the workshop.
Yes, and we thought it'd be a lot more, what is it, more like a
farmer's market,
or we can get fresh vegetables or even buy corn, but you can get popcorn.
Popcorn was the only corn they sell. Which it was, it wasn't bad, but it was just...
We had a really good time just because we were with each other, so...
Right.
Anyway, so then we left there, and then we went to Sioux Falls.
Yes, had a great time in Sioux Falls.
Yeah, we had a wonderful time, and we did...
Sioux Falls.
Mainly this video will be primarily about our bike ride. Mm-hmm. And
20 miles basically around the city.
And boy, was that beautiful.
It really was. There's a lot of neat things on it.
And it was in the city, so you can literally go anywhere you want.
Right. Plenty of restaurants and
right there on your bike.
Plenty of touristy stuff, and we had a good time. Yep.
What the world has happened?
What happened?
Oh. You see that?
Well, it looks like a football.
I lost control. At least it's here, not on the road. We'll let it go. Move its way up for me.
Huh?
Curtis is holding on to my bike while I look at the falls.
Yep.
My honey.
How's you growing?
Spillway. It's very nice though.
Damn.
That's so cool. My computer has been on the fritz.
Yes.
So all my editing, everything is out of whack, and I can't even get caught up right now. So sorry about delaying every day.
We're doing the best we can, I promise.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos.
Hit that bell notification.
Bing.